Our team name is Killer Boys. Our partner names are P Saket and CH Kartikeya. Myself Vinodit. Nowadays, people are locking the doors and going to offices. The thieves are coming to unlock the doors and thefting the items from the home. When the people return to home, the doors are unlocked and the things are thefted. So we have made a smart door lock. The components that are used for this project is Arduino servo motor, 4x4 keypad and jumper wires. The coordination of Arduino, the keypad and servo motor. The code that we gave to Arduino, when we press the key, it opens the lock. When we press 888 in this, when we press 888 in the keypad, the door opens. When we click slash or hashtag, the door uses to close. Servo motor helps the lock to push back and front. Keypad reaches the lock when the lock is correct. Keypad opens the lock. When the lock is wrong, the keypad does not opens the lock. When we press 888, the servo motor push back the lock, and when we click the slash, the servo motor closes the lock. Our project can be improvised by using biometric and face recognition and fingerprint of index. Our project can be used in colleges, schools, institutions where the high security is needed. We think our project is useful for everywhere. Thank you.